How to fix Snapchat camera full screen. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager and then go to Snapchat, click here on this force stop in the top and then go to the permissions. Make sure that the camera permission is enabled and then disable it and enable it back. Go back and now click on the storage option, click on clear cache like this. After that, go back and now all what you want to do next is make sure to update your Snapchat in the Play Store or the App Store. So after you update your Snapchat, or what you want to do next is restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. See you later and thank you so much.